Adam 32, we're up 10.4. Gonna be Green Mountain Drive and Green Mountain Circle. It's gonna be paper tags on a red Volkswagen. We're still slow rolling, all advise when we stop.
CMS received.
This dude don't know where he's going. Adam 32, we're going to be on Ethan Allen, Green Mountain. He's looking all over in there. Hey, turn the vehicle off! Turn the vehicle off, place the keys on the hood. Put them on the roof. Adam 32, we're going to be 1037. We're going to be going westbound. Speeds are going to be 35. Northbound on Shackleford.
Moving into a straight area.
Hit him out. Northbound on Shackleford, we're going to be passing Breaker Ridge. We're going to be coming up on Rocky Paramount in a minute. Hit him out in 20 turns. Clear, clear. Hinson. Westbound past Napa Valley.
There you go. Get up, get up, get up, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Get up there, get up there. Keep going, keep going. Now, get all in. Back out and turn this curve. So if it straightens out, we're going to take. Now, get all the way.
TBI. stuff out the window. That's the chopper. He's dumping stuff out the window. We're coming up on 430. Eastbound past Reservoir, and intersection is clear. He's fixing to take Brookside.
Get on the right side, get on the right side. You're good.
Southbound on
That's good.
Get your hands up! Get your hands up and keep them up!
Keep your hands right, see.
Keep your hands right and see them. Everyone keep your hands where we can see them. You get out of the car. Come out of the car right now.
Right here, right?
Keep your hands right and see them. If you put your hands out, I will shoot you. Get out of the car then. Get on your face.
Yes, sir.
Turn around, face away from me.
Yes, sir.
Turn around, face away from me. Get on the ground.
Yes, sir.
Get on the ground.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to hurt anybody. Please don't. Keep your hands
Shut up. Put your hands behind you. Put your hands behind you.
Keep your
What are you thinking?
I'm scared.
You scared?
Keep your hands on the roof. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I was scared. I was scared. I was scared. Yes, sir.
All right, shut up.
Yes, sir. Forward down. Yes, sir.
Get up.
I'm going to get up.
Roll over on your side. Roll over on your side. Get up. No, not 1, 2. Get up.
I'm trying to.
Get back here.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Sit down.
Yes, sir.
Get your foot.
I'm trying. You set my foot in there. That's to open the door. Unlock the door.
Keep your hands where I can see them. You put your hands down, I'm going to shoot you. Get out. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. That was Rodney Parham, just west of PA. What's up, dude?
What's up, man? Dude, I was like, I need to text you to figure out where he went. Yeah? Say again? I don't know that.
Alice Altizer did. Guess what? I'm not Alice Altizer, so I don't care about that.
I mean, really, she's how you gonna get up there for you. I get up.
Alright, we're down here in my vehicle. Right. Adam 32, you can clear the net. We're 10-15 3 times. Go ahead and start me at 10-11. We're going to be at Breckenridge and Brookside. Excuse me, Brookridge and Brookside. Come on, if I put her back in the car. I already got somebody in the back of mine. Alright, you're going with him.
Oh, my car just left. Your car's on 2 minutes. Yeah, we're on 2 minutes.
Oh. Yeah. What are you running for? What's in the vehicle? You got warrants? Traffic warrants? So you think this made the situation better or worse? Alright, have a seat. Where's your ID?
My intentions is not to make it.
Get your feet in.
Okay.
Where's your ID?
I can tell you all my information.
Hey, so on Hinson, just west of PA, right there in that corner.
Oh, that's
Yeah, it's on Hinson.
That's way over
fuck. I can give you
I'm checking, and that car is complaining about saying I'm going to call medical. That's cool.
Alright. Alright, guy on the left side, what's your last name? Say again? Pittman. First name? Rash. Speak up, I can't hear you.
I can't talk that loud, my voice is going.
Well, you better find it. Rashod. What's your date of birth? 2/18/92?
You got the tag number or you need it?
I don't have it.
Ready?
Go ahead.
David Adam. 772 901.
If it was so scary, then why'd y'all keep running instead of just pull over and stop? So, Mr. Pittman, what warrants do you have that you're running over?
I don't have any at all.
You do have warrants. I'm saying why? Like, what are they?
I'm making a list for
For
myself.
assault.
Still tell dispatch that there's here in a minute. You're gonna let them know it's not like critical, but you just need to let them know there's no damage to our vehicle.
Okay.
My intentions
Do I need to go get her info? You already got it.
I don't have it. Martin's supposed to be getting it to me.
Freezing to death now.
Just
It's weird trying to get up in there, isn't it?
That was weird.
Yes. The first one was a little hard.
Yes.
Second one right here was smooth.
Was it? It did not feel
I
like
keep
that.
in contact after they've already left. That's good.
Okay. Alright, passenger on the right side, what's your last name?
So here, have you already stopped this?
No.